think I'm going to try Cirxo. Alright, I'm going to flip this thing over and make my measurements so I stay in a straight line. Okay, I'm going to start right here for the moment. And I'm using this, the original leaf. Okay, as far as I can go. When I flip it over, I'm going to have a starting point. Okay. Now. So it gives me a start. Alright. Okay. So with that, done with that. I'm going to flip it over. Okay. Go from there. Split her over. Flip that over. Okay. Initial cut. Okay, so I got my straight edge, and I went straight across from start to start. Don't worry about it because that blade is thick. So I went from here, so it's going to open up. Should open up straight across that top right there. Ha! Yeah. I need my glasses. There's stuff will be thrown all over the place here. I thought by setting it up with the pieces that are on the bottom here, they go all the way across, that's what I was going to have sitting on there. But now I'm finding that, if you can see, it's about 1.25 inches. But now when you go here, it's about 1 inch. A little over. That's a little more than 1/4. It's almost 1.5 inches. No more 1/4. So now, as you can see, like 1/4 of an inch difference. Now if I cut it according to this here, when I go to shove it up against the wall, it's going to be it's going to be cocked. So if I try to keep it straight, I'm going to be lacking a little bit of board over the top, because I think that's all of a shelf. That's about all the shelf I got. Because when it goes in, look here. The only other way is to cut. If I'm going to cut, I'm going to be cutting into the support that I need. All right. That's the way I went to cut it. That means the skilled labor there didn't make them boards straight online with the top. So we know it was hand. So that says it was handmade. Alright, so I'm just gonna go with that. I'm definitely not cutting it straight. I'm going right-handed. And I'm not a pro when it comes to this. It went one. Damn. Do that. That was one leaf, huh? Skipping on that, moving on that. Ah, great. Big chip out of that. Okay, I'm being too bad, I guess. From my original original mark here. Made myself off a little bit when I threw here. Another chip. Definitely hardwood. And it's against the wall. Shoo. All right. Yeah. Okay. Again, not perfect. Kind of doing what I gotta do. That was earlier. Okay. How to get it up there and stick it in the hole and see what happens.